Good evening, Akhil. Let's start the session. So today we'll see how to provide the priority to the process and then top command. Guys, PS and top both are same, but the PS command it will provide the static information. Okay, so it's not going to provide any dynamic information. That means dynamic values. So if you're running an operating system, so in background, so we'll have some processes. It is running into the background. So the live information we need to check in a sense. We have the one tool called top. Okay, top. So using this top command, so we can able to check the like background running processes. Okay, CPU utilization we can check. So memory utilization we can check. So we can able to check CPU. What we say? Uptime command, using uptime command. So we are going to. So let's see here. Sure. So uptime is a command to know the CPU utilization. Okay, so just uptime. So now 18:90 means today time up 13 minutes ago. This mission it got up 13 minutes ago, and two users will log in. So with the help of two users, one is root user, another is student user. I'm logging as a student user. I switch from the student to root because of the result is showing two user. Load average of the CPU. So interview he will ask one question, how to check the load average of the CPU. Okay, so we need to execute the command called uptime. Okay, so we need to execute the command called uptime. So uptime is a command to know the load average of the CPU. So load average, that means the CPU load average, this is per minute 0.88. This is per 1 minute, and this is per 5 minutes 1.39. This is for 5 minutes, and 0.85. This is for 15 minutes. Per minute, for 5 minutes, for 15 minutes. Clear, guys? This is a CPU load average. How we need to know the course of the CPU, guys? CPU course. How to get the CPU course? Yes, which command I need to execute to know the CPU course? How many cores we'll have into our virtual machine? How we need to get? Yes, which command we need to execute? Already I was given the information to you people before. Yes, CPU info. Cat proc CPU info. That's it, no? Cat proc CPU info. And how many cores we'll have? 2 cores we'll have. If I'm executing uptime command, so it will provide the load average of both the cores. It will provide the load average of both the cores. So this is per minute, this is for 5 minutes, this is for 15 minutes load average of both the cores. Now, how we need to know the load average of per core, guys? Yes, this is a 2 cores load average. How we need to get the per core load average? This is one interview point of question. Interviewer, he will ask like this, how to get the load average of per core? How we need to get? Yes, guys. Divided by 2, that's it, no? 0.20 divided by 2. Then we'll get the per core load average. This is for per minute. This is for 5 minutes. This is for 15 minutes. Okay? And we'll have one more command called grep model name, model name, and then proc CPU info. It will show you both the cores individually. Model name. So how many cores will have? two cores will have. So i3 fifth generation, Intel Core i3 fifth generation, CPU 2.0 gigahertz. Like this, two cores will have. So here, if I'm executing, excuse me guys, if I'm executing uptime command, then it will provide the per core load average. So it will provide both the cores load average. So this is for minute, this is for 5 minutes, and this is for 15 minutes. So how to know the per core load average? Divided by 2, then we'll get the per core load average. I hope you clear guys. Yes, no. How to know the CPU load average? So if you ask someone to you people how to get the load average of the CPU usage, uptime is a command to know the load average of the CPU. So with the help of top command also we can able to get the load average. Clear? So let's see here. I'm going to execute top command, then hit enter. That's it. Okay. So TOP, then hit enter. That's it. See here, this is our top command. It's a live monitoring tool. So we'll get the dynamic values here. Okay. Internally, some process that is running. So live will get here. The first, so the starting time. So today time 18:24 means 6:24. That's the time now. Past 18 minutes, I'm using this operating system. So two users will have. One is student, another one is root. And then load average. See here, we'll get the dynamic values here. So 0.18, 0.60, 0.65. These are dynamic values we have. So this is per minute, and this is for 5 minutes, and this is for 15 minutes load average. And the total task in our operating system will have 493 tasks totally. In that, only one task is running. What is the task? The top command is running. See here, R will have here. That means the top command is running now. Okay. So one task is running, 490 tasks it's sleeping now, 0 stop and 0 zone. And then CPU. So CPU retail, CPU utilization. And this is memory utilization. So 2 GB RAM will have. And then so this much of used. And then swap. So swap is a free. We are not using swap. So 10 GB, total 10 GB is free now. Got it guys? So I hope you're clear. There's a live monitoring tool. We can able to check the dynamic values. So how we are trying to execute in the psaux command. So with the help of psaux command, we'll get the static values. That's it. Okay. So here we'll get the dynamic values, and then we can able to check the live values here, live process details, everything we can able to check here. Okay. So now we'll have few options in top command. Use question mark. You will get the help. Execute the top command and use question mark, then you will get the help. Z, B, E, small e. Z to change the color. B to bold the current process. So E, task, summary task and memory. Okay. LTM. So let's see, I'll show you. Q to quit. I'm back to the top now. I'm using capital Z or small z. So okay, you can use small z, the color is going to change. See guys here. If I'm using Z, Z means Z. So Z key you need to press. Z key, if you press this, what will happen? The color will change. Okay. So again you need to press Z key, then you are going to get like black color. If you require red color, then you can use Z. Okay. I hope you're clear. Okay. So clear guys. The next, I need to hide this first line, load average. I doesn't require this line, I need to hide this. Okay. I need to hide this line. So I doesn't require this line. Okay. L, small L. See here, it's going to hide and it's going to unhide. Hide and unhide. Got it? Small L. Small L is an option. Okay. L. T. I'm going to hide task and CPU both. See here. T. If you press T, it is going to hide, and again T, unhide. Okay. M. Memory. So memory it is going to hide and it is going to unhide. Clear? So memory is going to hide and it is going to unhide again. So M. Memory. Clear? I need to quit from the top command Q. I'm back to terminal. Q to quit from the top command. Guys, I hope you're clear. Can we able to manage the process with the help of top command? It is possible. Yes, we can able to manage the process with the help of top command. Okay, so we can able to manage the process with the help of top command. So top, and then can you I think K is an option. Okay, so K is option. See here, PID to signal kill. Default PID already will have. So okay, I need to kill the process. The process is a top, it's running. I need to stop, otherwise I need to terminate this process. Okay, so we should provide the PID. What is the PID for top command, guys? 14958. Then hit enter. So by default signal it is taking 15. So 15 means termination. So the top command got terminated, and then we back to the prompt. So like this, it can use any signal number. It can manage the any process using top command. Clear? I hope you got it, guys. Yesterday somebody they asked about top. Who's that guy? Akhil, you only. I hope you're clear, Akhil. How to manage the process with the help of top command. Clear? Very good. Okay. So now we'll see how to provide the priority to the process. How to provide the priority to the process, we'll see now. Okay. So let's see, guys, here. So we'll have two more commands here to providing the priority to the process. One is nice, another one is renice. Nice and renice. So let's see here. So now the priority to the process. So here, while you are executing the any task, by default, it having normal priority, guys. That is 0. Okay. 1, low priority. 2, 3, 4, these are low priorities till 19. Till 19, it's a low priority. Okay. Next, -1 is a high priority. Okay, -1, -2, then -3. Okay, so -4, -4, sorry, -4. Then like this, still will have -20. So clear. 0 to -20. So 0 is a normal priority. 1, 2, 3, 4 till 19. It's a low priority. 19 is a very low priority. Okay. And then -1, -2, -3, -4 till -20. These are high priority values. Okay. It's a low priority. It's a high priority. -20 is a very high priority. 0 is a normal priority. So here we are going to use two commands, that is called nice and then renice. This is both the command we are going to use to assign the priority to the process. So how to CPU utilization, guys? Priority means I am providing the CPU utilization, more utilization for the particular command or particular process. Okay. So let's see here how to utilize the how to provide the priority to the process. We'll see now. So I'm trying to executing one command, guys. Okay. So I doesn't require all the information related to process. If you execute PSAUX, what will happen? We'll get all the information. We'll get the user field and then PID field and nice value and CPU utilization, memory utilization, when the process it got started, everything will get. But I doesn't require. I need to filter few fields only. I need PID field. I need command pattern. I need nice value. These 3 fields only I require. That's it. Okay. for these three fields, what we need to do in the sense, we should use PSAOX, PSAXO, not AOX, AXO, okay? And then PID I need, command pattern I need, nice values I need. I'm going to sort with the help of nice field, okay? Hyphen sort is equal to nice. That's it. We'll get the only three fields. This is a PID, it's a command pattern, it's a nice field. That means priority values. Okay. So if I'm executing this command, what will happen is we'll get each and every process into our operating system. But my intention is I need only this terminal process. Okay. So remove this X, you'll get only in this terminal how many commands we executed, or so how many commands, how many processes we are running into this terminal, only that particular process will get, we need to remove the X. See here. Only this terminal related process. So I open the bash terminal, I use the su command, I execute the ps command before. Got it? I hope you got it, guys. Yes, no? So PSAXO, you will get all the process into our operating system, but I need to filter only in this terminal. So running processes only, okay? So AO is enough. I need PID, command pattern, nice value, hyphen start is equal to nice. I'm trying to starting with the help of nice build, okay? So we'll have the nice build 0 priority. The bash, su, bash, ps, these all will have. And this process it is running into the background mode. The bash means the terminal it is running into the background mode, okay? So now what I'm doing in the sense, I'm scheduling one process, guys, okay? How to schedule the process? Sleep 20,000. I'm trying to scheduling into the background. So ampersand simple. Okay. So check the jobs. So it's running. Sleep 20,000 it's running. And then execute this command. See here. We got a sleep command. But the priority value is 0. That means by default, if you execute any process, the priority value is a 0. 0 means normal priority. The CPU is not going to provide any special priority for sleep command. Okay, so it will provide the only normal priority. But my intention is what I'm trying to executing the process at the time. So we should provide the priority to the process. CPU priority. Okay. So how we need to provide the CPU priority to the process? So let's see here. Nice is a command -n. I'm providing -19. That means low priority for gedit command. Gedit, for example, file1 ampersand symbol. Then the gedit command, it's running into the background. See here, it's into the sleep now. It's running into the background. Already having the nice value. So let's execute this psao command. Then hit enter. See here, if we observe. So -19 I was given. It's a high priority, guys. If you provide the 19, it is low priority. Okay. So it's a high priority. So because of that reason, so gedit is into the top status now. Okay. So now let's see here. I'll do one thing. I'm trying to changing the priority for nice gedit command. Renice -n, then 19, normal 19. Okay. And then we should provide the process ID, guys. Okay. We need to provide the process ID. The old priority is 19 -19. The new priority is 19 now. It's plus 19. Okay. Then execute psao and see here the gedit it is into the bottom now. So before the gedit is at top because the CPU utilization is more for gedit. The CPU is providing the priority to this particular gedit. Now low CPU utilization for gedit. Again, I'm trying to scheduling the one more task. Okay. For example, I'll do one thing. I'll kill this. How to kill this? Both the commands, guys. How to kill? Yes. How I need to terminate this both? Which command I need to use to terminate? The running process Control C. So Control C when we need to use? We need to keep this process into the foreground and then only we need to use the Control C. So usually we are going to use the kill command to kill the process. Yes. Kill 9 or kill 15. Okay. So kill 15 and then %1. See, it got terminated. Sleep. Then, so kill 9 and then percentile 2 we can give. So that is auto. So gedit also it got killed now. So if you execute ps AO command, then we doesn't have sleep and then gedit both. Now what I'm doing in the sense, I'm trying to scheduling the process with the help of nice command, nice-n. I'm providing a very low priority for sleep command, sleep 10,000 and then ampersand. The sleep command it got scheduled and a priority along with the priority. See here. So 19 is a very low priority. Because of that reason, the sleep command it is at the bottom now. Now I need to provide the high priority for this particular sleep command. So how to provide? That is to change the priority for existing process, we should use renice command. To assign the priority for the new process, nice command we should use. Okay. Already sleep is an existing process, already it's running. I'm trying to change the priority for the existing process. Renice, then -n minus 20. Then so you should provide the PID of the particular process. The old priority is 19. The new priority is 20 now. The new priority is 20 now. Now execute ps AO command, then hit enter. See here, sleep is a command. So before it is into the bottom now, because the CPU utilization is a very low CPU utilization for this sleep command. Now it became high utilization. So -20, high priority, it is in the top now. So I hope you got it, guys. Here, how to change the priority to the process, how to assign the priority to the process. Clear? Yes, no? This is also very, very important, guys. So we need to change the priority to the process into the real-time environment. Because maybe some process unnecessary, if it is utilizing the like more CPU, then we need to change the priority for that. Got it? Okay, so please make a note. Okay, so this is all the commands we are going to interact with the help of command line interface. So we'll have the graphical tool also, guys. So usually in real-time environment we are not going to use the graphical tool, but we should know some information about graphical tool also. Just you can execute gnome-system-monitor, then hit enter. Gnome-system-monitor, then hit enter. Then you will get like this window, system monitor window. See here, file system. Root, 25% we used. So 3.2 GB we used it. So total 12 GB. So in that 3.2 we used and then total 9.4 GB it's available. And then boot, so 400 MB, 28% we used, means 118.9 MB we used and 297.1 MB. Okay. Then home 8 GB, 37%, zero utilization. Okay. And this is the DVSR0 image file. Image file 3.7 GB, so 100% we have the image file. Okay. So then resources. Resources. We'll have the one more tab called resources here. See, CPU history, memory and swap history, and the network history. So utilization 80, 87, 90% CPU utilization. We'll have the two cores. This is one core and this is another core. Okay, CPU1 and CPU2. CPU utilization and memory utilization. So this is RAM and this is swap. So 0% swap utilization we'll have. But RAM, so total 2 GB, in the 44.2% we utilize this. And it doesn't have any network. Because of that reason we are unable to get the receiving and sending the packets. So here don't have any network connectivity in this operating system. So in this mission, so because of that reason I'm not getting any network history, 0 bytes. Okay. Process. So it's like as a task manager in Windows, guys. We'll have the task manager in Windows now. So how to manage a task in Windows with the help of task manager. So like the same way here, we'll have the gnome-system-monitor tool. Then you can open this and see here we'll have the number of the processes running in the background. So if you want, you can manage the process from here also. See, stop, continue, end process, kill process, change the priority to the process, and these also. If you need to know the properties of the process, we can able to get the properties of the process also. Clear? And load average also will get here. Clearly it is saying this is per minute, this is for 5 minutes, this is for 15 minutes. Clear? I hope you got it, guys. Yes, no? Yes, anybody? Do you have any doubts? Yes, guys. Very good. No doubts. Okay. So this is all about process management, guys. I was given the information to you people related to process management from official content. These all stuff will have into the official Red Hat content. Okay. Difference between two files. I didn't get you, Sachin. Sure, Sriram. Definitely we'll go a little bit slow. If you're feeling I'm going fast, guys, you can interrupt. There is no issues. Sairam. So anybody, not only for Sairam, I'm saying, if you're feeling I'm going a little bit slow, sorry, I'm going a little bit fast, then you can interrupt me. So in between itself only, sir, please go a little bit slow. Then I'm going to reduce my speed, okay? Because I am into one flow now, because of that reason, sometimes I'm going a bit fast. So maybe you people see the feeling like if you're feeling like this, please interrupt me in between. There is no issues, okay? Okay, guys. So that's all about process management, operating system process management. Okay. Then can we do new topic? Can we do service management? How to manage the servers and daemons? Service and daemons. Yes, guys. Okay, so let's see here. So which one is the first process ID in RHEL 7.0? First process ID in RHEL 7.0. Yes. Yesterday we already discussed about the first process ID, PID 1. System D. Very good. Okay. System D is, guys, I forgot to provide the one more command. pstree will have. So pstree is a command. So it will provide all the tree structure. So background running process tree structure it will provide, and then you can use less command for pstree. Then it will show you starting line numbers. Okay. System D is the first process ID. See. System D is a PID 1. Under system D will have all of the process. Under system D itself only we will have all of the process. Okay. So system D is a first process ID. System D full form system daemons. RHEL 7.0 as well as in 8.0 will have PID called PID 1 called system D. Okay. System D. System D is a first process in RHEL 7.0 as well as in 8.0. So what is system D? System D is a system daemons. Okay. System daemons. This is the first process ID. Under this process ID, under this process itself only, remaining all process will run. It may be process, it may be services, whatever it may be targets. Okay, it may be process. it may be services, it may be targets, so it may be more points. Everything it will be running under system D. What is a system D? What is the use of system D? System D, it will manage the running process. And then it will manage the process from boot time to until you shut down the process. Until you shut down the machine. It will start automatically. So system D means daemons, guys. So system D means daemons. D means daemons. What is a daemons? Daemons is a one process. It will running and waiting into the background. It will perform the various tasks to us. For example, under system D, we'll have the one server called HTTPD and then VSFTPD, very secure file transmission protocol. So like this, we'll have the number of the servers. So what is HTTPD? Hypertext Transmission Protocol daemons. So what is VSFTPD? So very secure file transmission protocol daemons. So what is a daemon? So daemons is a one process. It will running and waiting into the background. It will perform the various tasks to us. Clear, guys? So what is a daemons? How we are going to find out the daemons, guys? So end letter should be, okay, system D, system daemons. HTTPD, Hypertext Transmission Protocol daemons. VSFTPD, very secure file transmission protocol daemons. So we'll have the D into the end letter, okay? So that is called daemons. So daemons means the process, it is running and waiting into the background. It will perform the various tasks to us. The daemons, it will start along with the boot time, okay? The daemons, it will run until you shut down the machine. Otherwise, you need to stop the daemons manually. Clear, guys? For example, I am installing one server into my machine. The server, it is running into the system D. Okay? You can say system D objects. This is all system D objects, guys. HTTPD, VSFTPD, and then different types of protocols will have target. So these types of protocols are system D objects. System D objects. You can say system D objects are system D units also. How to manage the system D units or objects? So this HTTPD and FTP, VSFTPD, these all the object how we need to manage with the help of systemctl command. Systemctl. Systemctl is a command. It will manage the system D objects or unit. You can say objects as well as units also. HTTPD, VSFTPD, DHCPD, these are all the system D objects. So the process it is, these are all daemons. The daemons it will be running into the background and it will perform the various tasks to us. Clear, guys? Yes, no? So I hope you got it. Okay? How to manage the system D objects, guys? How to manage the system D object? With the help of systemctl command. So systemctl is a new command. It's introduced from RHEL 7.0 onwards. 7.0 as well as in 8.0 will have the systemctl command to manage the system D objects. To manage the system D objects. Clear? How to manage the system D objects? Okay, how to get all the objects from our operating system related to system D? Simple. So in older version, we will have the command call in RHEL 6.0 and then 5.0 and 4.0 and then 3.0 and 2.0 versions having init D. Init D. Okay. So we are going to manage the init D objects with the help of service command. Sorry, writing here. Service. Service is a command. So systemctl command you are unable to execute into the older versions, guys. Always remember, new version commands we are unable to execute into the older version operating systems. But the old version commands, some commands we can able to execute into the new version. So it's possible. So systemctl I am unable to execute into the old version, but the service command we can able to execute into the new version. Got it? I hope you got it, guys. So yes, no. Yeah, good. So now we'll do some practical sessions. How to manage the system B objects. Okay. So let's see here, systemctl. That's it. Systemctl. Then hit enter. See here. These all the objects. It's related to systemctl. These many objects will have. We can say objects are unit, whatever if you want. We can say totally. How many units it's listening? 448 loaded units is listened. So if you require all the units, so systemctl, okay, icon all you can view, then it will show you each and everything here. Okay, see here, this is unit name, that means object name. This is all object name. So we'll have devices, we'll have targets, we'll have services. See here, mount points also will have. Okay, services also will have. So everything it will be coming under systemctl. Okay, system D, not systemctl. Systemctl is a command. System D is a process ID. Under system D, we'll have this all the objects. So unit or object, you can say whatever if you want. We can say there is no issues. This is unit name and the status. It got loaded. That means the process it got loaded now. Now the process is active. It's a substatus. Some process it's running into the background. Some source substatus is plugged in. So some dead statuses will have, that means some status it's deactive. So inactive, dead, inactive, dead, active. So these are the mount points, and active waiting. One time process it got completed. If you having the waiting here, so one time process it got completed. So it is waiting for an event. It is waiting for an event. Okay. That means there is no process, it's disabled. That disabled means the process it is not working now. Running, it's providing the services for us. Got it, guys? I hope you're clear. So better to use systemctl, don't use all. See, we'll show you active running, active mounted, active running, active exceed. Got it, guys? We'll have the services, targets, devices, sockets, everything will have. But my intention is I need to filter only services. I need to filter only services. So systemctl, okay, hyphen type is equal to service is a command. So it's a filter commands. Filter commands mean we can say query commands. Can say query commands. Okay, systemctl hyphen type is equal to service. We'll get only services. Dot services. See here, cronid dot service, bluetooth dot service. Okay, so like the services we'll have. See here, only services will get. How many services we'll have? 70 services will have in our operating system. So loaded, active, and substatus. Okay, so now see here, some. These all the units names. These all the units names, and it got loaded and active. Some exceed, some running, some waiting. It's a substatus. So NTP client and server, it's running now. Cronid services. Got it? Genome display manager. So GDM, it's running. Got it? So like SSHD. So if you want, you can filter SSHD. Yes, we'll have the SSHD. What is SSHD? What is SSHD, guys? What is SSH? open SSH to take the remote mission. So who's doing AWS, guys? How many people you are doing AWS? SSH is a one protocol. So what is the use of SSH? You're going to take the remote mission into the our mission, port number 22 only, I know. Okay. We are going to connect the one mission to another mission remotely with the help of SSH. How you are going to access the EC2 instance into the putty? With the help of SSH only. The SSH service, it is active now. That means we can able to take this mission into remotely through network. It's a so we can, it is providing the remote access. Got it? So these types of services we'll have here. Okay. Then if you provide the all -all, it will show you all services, inactive and active both. Inactive and active both the services will show you. Okay. So systemctl list list units. It will show you all the units, active units only. Okay. So 146 words. Systemctl list-unit files. See, it will show you how many processes it's running and how many processes it's enable and it's disable and static. Okay. Systemctl list units and list-unit files. Okay. So now I need to know the one process related details. Okay. So systemctl status is a command option. Systemctl is a command. Status, then SSHD details are required. Okay. Systemctl space status space and service. I'm giving SSHD service now. Then hit enter. See here, SSHD.service. SSHD.service. Open SSH. Open secure socket shell. So server daemons. That means the process that is running and waiting into the background, it's performing the various tasks to us. The service, it is not going to disturb on foreground. So what type of services this protocol it is providing for us? So it is providing the remote access. It's providing remote access. Okay. So see here, loaded. That means unit configuration file has been loaded. SSHD.service, it got loaded. So it's enable. Enable means it is connecting to the systemd. So it will start along with the boot time if it is enabled. If you reboot the machine, it will start along with the boot time. So the systemd it will start along with the systemd. Along with the systemd, SSHD also it will start because it's enabled now. So it's enabled, active, it's running, and the PID. This is the main PID, guys. 1994 is a PID. Don't bother about these all the PIDs. Okay. So main PID 1994 SSHD. How I need to manage this service? How I need to manage these services? I need to stop the service. I need to stop the service. So how to stop the service? Systemctl stop, then SSHD. The service it got stopped now. Now let's verify the status. The service is inactive. It's dead now. It's dead. The previous PID is 1994. 1994. Okay. So previous PID is 1994. Now I'm going to start the service. How to start the service? Systemctl start SSHD. Then check the status. See here. Systemctl status SSH. Now the service it got active now, but the PID it got changed. See. So before we'll have 1994. Now it became 15631. 15631. Why, guys? So while the PID got changed, simple, guys. So now everything it got opened along with the theaters. Theaters, yes, movie theaters. I need to watch the movie in my hometown. I doesn't have any Book My Show app and I doesn't have any online option to book the ticket. I'm in village. So can you able to book the ticket in villages? It is possible, guys? It's not possible, no? So the Book My Show and Paytm, it is not going to work into the villages. What I need to do, get the ticket. I need to watch the movie, guys. Okay? I need ticket, no? How you are going to get the ticket? Yes, guys, how you are going to get the ticket? Hello, can you hear me? By going to theater. That's it now. To collect the movie hall. That's it. So we need to go to the theater. Only you're going to get the ticket, or maybe some people they will come. Maybe some people like you, maybe some people they need to come to the theater and they need to collect the ticket. So now one movie got released, one new movie got released. Okay. Now in my village, I need to watch the movie. What I need to do? I need to stay into the queue. That's it now. How they are providing the ticket for us from counter, so we need to stay into the queue. Yes. I'm into 10th position now. I'm into 10th position. In my queue, we'll have the 50 peoples. In my queue. So in movie, I need to watch the movie. In this queue, we'll have the 50 peoples. I'm into 10th position now. I got a like urgent call. It may be nature call. It may be your mobile call, whatever it may be. You got an urgent call. And then I left from the queue. And then I am speaking with someone. I'm going back to the queue again. Same position you'll get, guys, again. Same 10th position you will get. People they are going to allow? No, no. Always no. Because again we need to stay into 50th position. Like the same way, first we'll have the PID 1994. I stop the process. That means we left from the queue. Again we are joining into queue. So then it is going to provide some different PID. I hope you got it now. Position change. Very good. Okay. Chandana. So why we change why we are getting the different PID? Because of this reason. Okay. So I hope you clear. So now my intention is in real-time environment, sometimes we should not change the PID. So if I did some like modification into the configuration file, so into SSHD service, I need to update this modification. Without restarting the service, it is not possible. See here. So what I need to do? We need to use systemctl restart and service name. Then only the modification will change. The modification will happen. It will apply. Okay. So now let's check the status. The PID got changed. So before we'll have 15639. Now it became 5683. 5683. Got it. The PID it got changed again. Now my intention is while I am restarting the service at the time the PID it should not change. What will have the current PID? The same PID we need. Okay. So at the time we should use reload option instead of reset. Instead of restart, we need to use reload. So reload SSHD. So we are not going to lose the PID. We will have the same PID. See here, 15683, and then now also we'll have the 15683. Got it, guys? Restart means the process it will stop. Again, automatically it will start. Reload means just it is going to reload the process. That's it. It's not going to change the PID. If the process, if it is stopped, automatically the PID will change. Got it? So I hope you're clear, guys. The differences between restart and reload. How to enable the process, how to disable the process, let's see here. Systemctl. So check the status of SSHD. See here, it's enable. Now I'm going to disable this process. Systemctl, disable SSHD. It got disabled. Now what is the difference between enable and active, guys? What is the difference between enable and active? It's disabled, but still it is active. What is the difference between enable and active? Enable means it will start along with the boot time. Active means this is a current status. It's active, but it's disabled now. If I reboot, it won't start automatically at the boot time. So if you want, you can verify. So reboot it and wait few minutes. I disable the process. The SSHD process, it is not going to start at the boot time now. Clear? I hope you got it, guys. Now login. Then try to switch to the root user and check systemctl status SSHD. See here, the SSHD service is inactive now because it's disabled. It is not going to start along with the boot time. Okay. Now I'm going to enable this systemctl enable SSHD. SSHD is enough, doesn't require any service. It got enabled now. So let's verify this status systemctl status SSHD. It's enabled. Again, I'm going to reboot this. Okay. So reboot. Automatically it will start along with the boot time now. So I hope you got it, guys. Okay, so let's see here. Systemctl status SSHD. It's active. It's enabled. Because of that reason, automatically it will start along with the boot time. Clear? I hope you got it. The differences between enable and disable. Systemctl is hyphen active SSHD. It's active. And systemctl is hyphen enable SSHD. It's enable. Okay, one word answer will get. Okay, I hope you got it, guys. Systemctl start, systemctl stop, systemctl restart, systemctl reload, systemctl enable, systemctl disable. Apart from this, we have the one more option called mask. Mask. Guys, what is the use of mask value? If you did the process into the mask, what will happen in the sense? The process, it is not going to start with along with the boot time, as well as it's not going to start automatically, it is not going to start manually. You are unable to start the process manually, you are unable to start the process automatically. Some processes will have, some services will have into our background, into our operating system. So we need to disable, so we should not disable the process, but we need to make the process into the mask status. That means if we having the process, it is not going to see. For example, I have the IP tables, guys. In networking, we'll have the IP tables. So if the IP table are firewall D, you can say. So firewall D is a process. IP tables and firewall D both are same nodes. Okay. In older versions, we'll have the IP table, and from RHEL 7.0 onwards, they introduced to us firewall D. Okay. So if we active the firewall D, so by default, the firewall D service. So let's check the status of the firewall D. See, it's running, it's enabled, it's running, it's active now. That means it is protecting our machine. Okay. Sometimes in real-time environment, what will happen? Sense? So we need to disable the service. If you disable, if you stop the service, maybe someone they will come and then will take enable it active. If you reboot the machine, automatically it will active. Okay, if you stop the service, what will happen? Automatically, if you reboot the machine, automatically it will start. My intention is it should not start automatically. It should not start manually. So at the time, what we need to do? So we'll have the one more option called mask. Okay, systemctl. How to do this process into the mask? Mask firewall D. Okay, see here. So this process, it is going to assign into the null value. That means there is no value for this process. Okay, I'm going to stop this process. Stop firewall D. The process, it got stopped now. And check the status. See, it's inactive dead and it's masked. Okay, now I'm going to start this process. Start, then it enter. See, you are unable to start the process, guys, because it got masked. So then if you want to again reboot, so even you are not going to start the process, you're not going to start the process along with the boot time automatically. Dot services doesn't require a kill. Dot services doesn't require, it's not a mandatory, it's optional. If you want to give you, otherwise you can do it, there's no issues. SSHD is enough. Okay. So let's say, sorry. So let's see here. Systemctl status firewall D. It got masked. It's not going to start along with the boot time. How we need to enable again? How we need to start this process again? Systemctl, okay, unmask firewall D. Mask systemctl UMASK, sorry, UN, okay. Got it, guys? Unmask, that's it. Can we do unmask firewall? That's it. Then you can go and check the status. It's enable. Then just you can reboot the machine automatically. It will start. If you want, you can start manually also. The restrictions. I hope you got it. Yes, guys. So this is all about service management. There's a way we need to manage the services. Automatically will start. Okay. So clear, guys. I hope you got it. So this is all about service management. How to download an application from browser and get it installed into the Linux through command. wget is a command. Sandeep. wget. Okay, wget. Wget, wget, and you need to provide the URL of the particular application. That means software URL, and then it is going to download into your operating system. And then installation process will see maybe from Monday onwards. How to install the package using RPM and M. So tomorrow, what about tomorrow class, guys? No class. Okay. My wish, I'll do one thing. I want to pause the recording, okay? So, tomorrow, class चाहिए नहीं चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए? क्यों ऐसा? हाँ? Okay, I'm also feeling bored, guys. Actually, every day, मेरे को भी थोड़ा बोर लग रहा है. So, कुछ तो भी मूवी का नाम बता दो यार, मैं चले जाऊंगा. हाँ? मूवी जाके भी बहुत दिन हो रहा है. कुछ नया मूवी है? ये क्लासेस ऑनलाइन ये सब कुछ देख के मेरे को भी बोर हो रहा है. ఏదైనా కొత్త మూవీ ఉందా అండి? తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా క్లాస్ లో? నకిల్ మూవీ చూస్తారా మీరు? నా చూసేసాను. మళ్ళీ లాస్ట్ సాటర్డే ఉప్పున చూసేసాను. ఇంకేమైనా మూవీ ఉప్పున కాకుండా ఆల్రెడీ డైలీ చూసి నా పని అయిపోతుంది. సీరియల్స్ 7:30 తర్వాత సీరియల్స్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది చందన. సో టీవీ రిమోట్ తీసుకుంటే ఇంట్లో తరివేస్తారు నన్ను. తెలుగు
తెలుగు మూవీస్ కాదులేండి, స్టార్ ప్లస్ లో ఉన్న సీరియల్స్ అని చూపిస్తారు ఇంట్లో రాత్రి 11 దాకా. ఓన్లీ సండేస్ మాత్రమే టీవీ రిమోట్ నా చేతిలో ఉండేది. సోమిరెడ్డి అది ఆన్లైన్ లో చూసేసాను. ఆహాలో ఉందా? ఓకే. So I think there is no new movies till, so we need to wait. Okay, Vishal action film. Okay. Name? Dilip Kumar, name? Do you have any idea? Chandana, so take rest tomorrow, do the practical session, okay? Okay. Chakra, okay. Next class on Monday, Sachin. So ఇంకా మీరు ఏ మూవీస్ చూస్తున్నారు? महिपाल मिडनाइट मर्डर, आफ्टरनून मर्डर नहीं चाहिए यार. ओके, हॉरर मूवी है क्या? AWS మూవీ చూడాలా? నేను కూడా చూడాలండి, నేర్చుకోవాలి అంటే. సో ఐ హావ్ ద ఐడియా, డోంట్ లైక్ ఐ నో అబౌట్ AWS. సో చూద్దాం. సో లెట్స్ సీ. So I'll send them my number, not now. I'll send, don't worry. Definitely I'm going to send the number. Okay, not now. How to install MySQL into 7.0. Don't worry guys, I'll show you how to install the MySQL while I'm teaching the scripting at the time. Okay, while I'm teaching the scripting at the time, I will show you how to install the MySQL. But I'm not going to teach any MySQL related stuff, okay? Because we are doing only basic Linux. So I'm not going to cover any server part, okay? Package management from Monday onwards will do. Configuration part I will show you. Okay? MySQL configuration part I will show how to configure the MySQL. But I'm not going to teach like full-fledged MySQL. So because why I'm going to install this MySQL part in a sense, in scripting, we'll have the one script how to take a database backup. So we need to write one script to take the database backup. For that, we need a database. Because of that reason, we're going to configure the database. Okay. How to create the multiple user accounts, how to take a backup, how to take a database backup, and these all stuff will cover. Okay. So use this command with the help of root user. Cat etc red hat -release with root user. You need to execute this command with root user. Okay. I think you are executing with normal user. Because of that reason, you are getting permission limit. Okay. Yes, guys. So, any doubts, any questions? Yeah, welcome, Akhil. सब लोग हैदराबाद आ गए थे. अभी कहाँ पे हो? आपके होम टाउन पे या हैदराबाद में? How many people you are staying in Hyderabad? Mahipal and once upon a time. Me also, Chandana. Once upon a time. Okay. You are in Sanat Nagar, Mahipal? Okay. My house also nearby Sanat Nagar only. Do you know AG Colony? Opposite Sanat Nagar. So there itself only my house. I am also using root user. Still you are getting the same problem. You won't get the problem like this. What type of operating system you are using? AG Colony, you know, Michael? ESI bus stop is there, na? So beside ESI bus stop. RHL 7. I'm also using RHL 7 only now, guys. Let's see, I'll show you. So cat/etc red hat release. I'm waiting now. Okay, guys. So thank you. See you tomorrow. Sorry, not tomorrow. On Monday. Okay. Guys, please do the practical session tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Almost we finished 50%. Okay, 50% concept we finished. So please do the practical session. Chrome, we need to install the Chrome in the sense we should download the third-party applications, guys. So better to use CentOS. In RHL 7.0, it is not possible. So we should install, we should download the like third-party application. We need to connect the internet. And so why you require Chrome? Already we'll have the Firefox now. So we'll do, while we are doing the package management at the time, so I will show you. So I can search into the Google and you'll get the Chrome. I think Chrome it will support for 7. I didn't install the Chrome till now, guys. So you only are asking these types of doubt and then how to install the Chrome. So people, I think maximum people they are going to use Firefox only in Linux. So let's try. We'll try. I didn't install till. वो जरूरी तो मेरे को नहीं आई थी अभी तक क्रोम इंस्टॉल करने का जो है ना RHL 7.0 पे सो ट्राई करके देखेंगे सो CentOS पे हो जाएगा शायद पर 7.0 में थोड़ा डाउट है मेरा ओके नो इश्यूज विल सी ओके okay guys so thank you see you tomorrow see you on Monday so take care happy weekend bye guys bye